How to easily create a WhatsApp channel. So to start, we'll just have to open our WhatsApp application and then in here at the bottom part, tap on the updates option. After that, we'll have to go to these three dots and then tap on the create a channel option. In here, tap on continue and then after that, we can now start creating our channel. So first, we'll have to add a name. As an example, I'm gonna type here artwork angel and then under that, we can also add a description. For my description, I'm gonna add here arts ideas and painting. So before we can completely create our channel, we can also add a profile photo or a logo. To do that, we'll have to tap on the camera icon, go to gallery, and then simply select a photo. After that, we'll have to crop it, and then once we're done cropping it, tap on the done option. So as you can see, the photo is automatically added as my profile picture. So once we're done customizing our channel, tap on the create a channel option. So as you can see here, my channel is automatically created. If I want to share my channel, all I need to do is to tap on the link icon and then it will show me different ways on how I can share my WhatsApp channel. So that's how easy you can create a WhatsApp channel. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!